Hey, it's me, Kyle. I'm here at the Mooreland house. We're gonna go over a few things that we've done, mainly taking down all the plywood windows. In Minnie Ball's room, there was a green window here, and now we have a lexan window here, and we can let in all this light. So much better from the inside and out. Here I am in the master bedroom. We've replaced the large piece of plywood that was green on one side. Look at all the light in here. This was also a giant piece of green plywood. Again, light comes in now. Bye-bye, green board. Got some lexan windows in here. Good luck. In Anita's room now, we removed plywood windows, or plywood windows, but plywood, and put this lexan up. So now we can actually let some light in. This was also a plastic window, blocking all the light. And now we can see what's going on here. Here I am on the second landing, on my way to the second floor from the servant stairwell. This was boarded up. At one point, probably had a door, or maybe it was a window, I don't know, but it had plywood. And you couldn't access or see anything out there. This allows light in to the stairwell, to this landing, and now I can actually see if I need to clean out the gutter over here. So I'm in the attic, and we have light because we don't have a boarded up window. And we have so much more light over here because we no longer have boarded up windows. And then this window, which is kind of falling apart, got a piece of lexan over it so that it doesn't continue to fall apart and let water and animals in. But overall, look how light it is in here without those windows covered. Can't wait until we get this dormer over here put back up. And then this one here, that'll really let in quite a bit more light. Here I am in the parlor, and I'm gonna go out here to the south portico. The door opens, which is lovely. It's amazing that all this old hardware still works. It's a little sweaty because we had some rain here today, but now we can let some ventilation in and out. And another thing happened. I unlocked the door. I got the door to open, so now we can actually get a breeze. And we can hear the train. And this can air out a little bit. This was so dusty and dirty. I don't think anybody had been out here since prior to Frank and Carrie purchasing it. So I'm a big fan of plywood boarded up windows. I'm just kidding, I'm not. So this was plywood boarded up and looked very abandoned and not very becoming. Same thing here. How is it ever gonna dry out if there's no light or ventilation? So this window, the second floor window there, that is Anita's room. That window was boarded up green plywood. The one next to it, you can't really see it, but also is green plywood. Now we can see out, we can see in. It's a beautiful thing. So those windows right there on the dormer were boarded up. They allow so much light into the attic that they actually work, and now we can let air in. This window here was boarded up. This window here was boarded up. It looks so much better with some light and not green wood. So I replaced that window that used to be a green piece of plywood. I replaced that window that used to be a green piece of plywood. That little window right there used to be green plywood. Now she's starting to look like a house.